female duo, dynamic duo in Uganda. So, the media house, I am talking to you kubanga mulina kamanyiro nyingi. Mulina zara omwefula mumanyi nnyo. Naye, I'm talking to you because we are the ones who do the work that fits you, that pays you a salary. So, temutumanyira, please support Katalea and Kando and every other Ugandan artist that can take us across the water. Others, thank you so much, and I will still remain saying, Calvin, temutumanyira, mutu supporting the Neanziza. UPCA Ka. Tugende?
Washington.
Yes, I am.
Yes, Wasaya.
All right. Me, I'm always okay. Zendi muteso ndi bulungi. I have river Nile flowing in my blood. I'm a Nilehamite.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Tukulabye olimu mu kuba producer b'oluyimba ba ku EP ya Bakatalea.
Yes, I want to say big up to all the producers, Nesim, Atin, all the producers, you know, Edia Kiss. All you guys, big up on yourself. Yes, I did a good job. Yes, I am.
When did you last produce a song for any artist?
You know, I've been checking a lot of songs, but people have been saying, hey, Olimukubalu imbaza radio newizo, Olimukuwa sama soldier bichi bichi. But you know, guess what? I'm the creator. I am the maker. You know, if you come to me, I create you and make you. That's my job. I'm a producer. So whatever comes after, people saying, oh, you are this. But guess what? There's a creator for every great thing. And that is me, yes.
Okay. Nga tunakula luyimba lwa Bakatalea lwe wakoze. Obadde wakoma ddi okukola oluyimba lwonna?
Nakola Summer Soldier Akama. I think you can hear Akama.
Sometime
song, and then you guys started distressing me mwaba media. Matan kukumanyira nengamba omanyi. Let me go back to school. Nengenda nensoma kati nkomyo. Tula Katalea ne Kando ate muganda wange. You know, it's all about good vibes. Tulimu industry whereby you have to work hard. No playing around. Nowadays we have guys who are paid $1 million from Africa. Burna Boy is paid $1 million. Wizkid is paid almost $1 million. You know, but you guys memuli wano temusobola funda yadende mutwalo gwa dola okuimba osegera. Come on, what the hell is going on with you guys? You need to wake up. You know, Diamond is just next door. He's paid a lot of money to come and perform. But you guys are just there pretending to be so okay. Netemwina yadde chintu okitegera. Echinyiza media yaffe tetupromotinga etuvuma. It's putting us down, asking about nonsense. You know, asking about things that passed behind. You need to promote our artists so that we can be on the international stage. The same way I did with Radio and Weasel for 15 years. You know, we did BET, we did MTV, we did Cora Awards, we did all those fantastic, you know, platforms that represent artists on an international stage.
Like you talk in a pain.
No, mwana. Some of us, we put a lot of time, a lot of energy in this industry, you know. I put a lot of time and energy and money in this industry, you know, to build this urban industry that we have. So please, I'm talking to the media. I am not disrespecting you. I am just telling you, please, support Ugandan music, support Ugandan talent. And this does not mean just Luganda. Ugandan music. There are people in the north who know how to sing. There are people in the east. There are people in the west. There are people in the south. Bring that music together. And you know, we can be the greatest industry in the whole world. I mean, Nigeria is representing today. Jamaica is smaller than Uganda. But they have been killing us with good vibes for a very long time. So what is so difficult with us, you know? Let's just support ourselves. Media, please support the entertainment industry. Media, do not disrespect us. Stop putting us down. Stop putting us in fights that do not make money. Okay? Please invest your goodness into the music industry and the movie industry. So I'm talking about the movie industry because it's also growing. Please invest in the entertainment industry. Please, media houses, I'm begging you, please.
Menyayoko kwezo kuba oyogera bwogezi bayinza obutetegeera. Menyayoko.
Tomunteka mu menyayoko. All of you media houses, you are one. Muri one. Tewali nti oh no. All of you are one. The DJs, the TV presenters, the radio presenters, the bloggers, all of you, what the hell are you doing? Mukola chimuli kuchimwe bagai, man. We had East African, remember East African TV those days?
Yeah.
We had Ogopa DJs, we had the guys from Bongo Flavor. What is muli kuchimwe bagai, man? We are being colonized by outside sound because memuli mutumanyira nyo. Support the entertainment industry. We need to have more superstars. We have very few superstars in this country. Twetaaga bayimbi abalala bakabi nnyo. Tetusobola kubeera ne the same artists all the time. I'm so happy we have so many producers like Nasim, like Atin, like all these guys, Croach. We have so many good producers. At least Banyamba Komani. Kubanga I used to do it alone. You get it? But now we need more musicians, more organized recording labels like Theron, like Swang's Avenue. We only have Swang's Avenue and Theron. Just imagine we had like 20 record labels. Eziri organized in Gabano. Uganda industry would be on another level. Name me, I'm out here to say mwaba media. Ate mwaba guy mulekero otumanyira. Because what we do makes you earn a salary. Mubera ku TV nga mutuvuma omwezi kugwako mufuna salary. Mwene mulia omuntu muli mutumanyira. Okay? Let us start supporting Uganda. What is made in Uganda, we support it 100%. You know?
Nawe nga you have a problem with abantu bewakolera ennyimba. Ate right now oligamba nti media yegize nene wavayo ko nolumba abayimbi wabakolera ennyimba tolina sente nga batekeddwa okuwaka sente. Waliwo yali avuddeyo ko najja gyoli ku nnyimba zo wabakolera.
You know, the industry is complicated. The media is messed up. You know, the government doesn't understand what we do. You know, the musicians are also try to understand what they do. The producers are just lost. Tebamanyi bali awo bakuba engoma babasasula 300,000 simanya oyo ba 1 million nya bichi. But come on, million nya omuntu 1 million nya. That's about $1,300. Okay? And this artist and the producer can make $1 million if they are organized. Omanye ebintu bino bya bazungu. Abazungu bakola ebintu biri organized. You get it? So if we follow the instructions, fena tusobola kubeera bulungi. Baba no balaba. Baba.
Chichi. Ani anyiza legendary.
Olaba producer wange ono Atin. Atin omusajja ono wakabi nnyo.
Tewali akirizibwa kunyiza legendary.
Oshegera. Akoledde ba fik fameka bichi. Atin alina okubeera nga alina skyscraper. Alina okubeera nga afuna $1,000 buli nnaku.
Ofuna mmeka?
Tobuuza bintu ebyo. Olaba bano ba media. Bano ba media basiru tobaveeko bano basiru. Olaba bano bagaye. Bo banoonya musaala. Tuyitamu. Mbavumye muli basiru. Musobola ku mwanvuma dda.
Kati otwesasuza.
Ne ono ata sikwe kusasuza. Just I am teaching you guys. Support each other. Let's support each other. Promote this producer. Promote other producers. Promote me. Promote the musicians. Promote Uganda. And we shall all be well. Okay? But media, we need you. The same way you need us. We need each other. Twetaaga. You get it? Sebo. We all need each other. So I just want to say big up to Nasim, big up to Atin, big up to all the other producers that are doing a great job in this industry. Na yetu koyeye. Spice muleke. Otherwise, speak up on yourself. Lekero tubuza bibuzo bingi kubanga temutusasula mufuna content eno bya werere mulekero tumanyira mweba media mwe
wa producing ako Sendi n'omukubire ngome za kabi. What's your take on their battle?
Na produce
ne
Shiba and Sendi. Kati mwe mufunamo. Olaba kamba uli amazima muli awo mu Shiba Sendi muli mukufuna musala buli mwezi nga mutumanyira.
Goto byagala.
Ate mbyagala byaki? Bonna bakabi. Kati mwe sorting.